Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Muhammad here. Ever wondered what that instrument doctors always carry around their necks is? That, my friends, is a stethoscope. A simple yet essential tool in the world of healthcare. Now, you may wonder, what makes it so important? Well, think of it as the listening ear of a physician. The stethoscope allows doctors to tune into the internal soundscape of a patient's body. With it, they can hear the rhythm of your heart, the whisper of your lungs, and the subtle gurgles of your abdomen. It's like a concert within, with each part playing its own unique symphony, revealing vital clues about your health. Each sound or silence holds a story. A rapid heartbeat could hint at anxiety or a heart condition, while abnormal lung sounds might suggest an infection or disease. It's through these auditory cues that doctors can diagnose and map out a treatment plan. So, the stethoscope is not just a doctor's accessory, but a key element in diagnosing a patient's health. Like all great inventions, the stethoscope too has evolved over time. The journey of the stethoscope from its inception as a simple wooden tube is a fascinating tale of innovation and adaptation. The earliest stethoscope, invented by René Laennec in the early 19th century, was a simple wooden tube. It was monaural, meaning it was designed for one ear. While revolutionary, it wasn't particularly comfortable or practical to use. This was the first step in what would be a long journey of evolution. As the years rolled on, the stethoscope began to transform. In the mid-19th century, the binaural design was introduced. This design, which is what we typically associate with stethoscopes today, included two earpieces. It allowed healthcare professionals to listen with both ears, improving the quality of the sound and their ability to diagnose conditions. The introduction of flexible tubing was another significant milestone. This made the stethoscope more comfortable to use and more portable. It also improved the sound quality even further, as the tubing could be adjusted to focus on specific areas of the patient's body. The ear tips and chest piece we see today were also introduced as part of this evolution. The soft silicone ear tips provided comfort for the users, while the chest piece, often made of stainless steel or brass, helped to pick up the sounds within the body more effectively. It's also worth noting that the stethoscope has continually adapted to the needs of medical professionals. For example, pediatric stethoscopes with smaller chest pieces were developed for use on children. Cardiology stethoscopes with enhanced acoustic sensitivity were designed for cardiologists. In essence, the stethoscope has transformed from a simple listening device to a sophisticated instrument that is essential in modern healthcare. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the constant desire to improve and adapt to meet the needs of patients and healthcare professionals alike. The stethoscope has indeed come a long way since its wooden tube days. The stethoscope has become an icon of the medical profession. But what role does it play in modern healthcare? The stethoscope, a simple yet powerful tool, is the doctor's best friend. It's often the first instrument that a physician reaches for during an examination. Its role in modern healthcare cannot be understated. It's as crucial today as it was 2 centuries ago when it was first introduced. The stethoscope is a key player in diagnosing and monitoring various health conditions. It's like the doctor's third ear, allowing them to listen to the symphony of sounds that our bodies make. Consider the heart, a vital organ that works tirelessly, pumping blood around our bodies. With a stethoscope, a doctor can listen to the rhythm of your heart, picking up any irregularities or murmurs that might indicate a problem. It's a crucial tool for detecting, diagnosing, and healing conditions such as heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Then there's the lungs, another pair of organs that never take a break. The stethoscope allows doctors to listen to your breath sounds, detecting abnormalities like wheezing or crackling that could point to conditions like asthma or pneumonia. The stethoscope also aids in examining other internal organs, like the stomach and intestines. It can help detect abnormal sounds such as gurgles or rushes, which might indicate digestive issues. In addition to its diagnostic capabilities, the stethoscope is also a symbol of comfort and reassurance. When a doctor places the stethoscope on your chest, it's not just a clinical assessment, it's a moment of connection, a reassurance that someone is listening literally to your health concerns. So what role does the stethoscope play in modern healthcare? It's a diagnostic tool, a symbol of the medical profession, and a bridge between doctors and patients. Without the stethoscope, doctors would be like detectives without their magnifying glasses. With the rapid advancement in technology, what does the future hold for the stethoscope? This query has been echoing in the corridors of the healthcare industry for quite some time now. And the answer seems to be edging towards a digital transformation. You see, the world of medicine is not impervious to the technological revolution. In fact, it's steadily embracing it. The traditional stethoscope, a symbol of the medical profession for over 2 centuries, is undergoing a metamorphosis of sorts. Enter the digital stethoscope. The digital stethoscope enhances the capabilities of its traditional counterpart. It captures sound waves from the heart or lungs, converts them into digital signals, and amplifies them for a clearer, more detailed analysis. With these stethoscopes, doctors can now record, replay, and even visually represent these sounds on a computer screen. This not only makes diagnosis more accurate, but also allows for a more in-depth understanding of the patient's condition. But the story of the stethoscope's evolution doesn't stop at digital. The future beckons with the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI. Imagine a stethoscope that doesn't just amplify sounds but also interprets them. AI-powered stethoscopes could potentially analyze these sounds, compare them against a vast database of medical knowledge, and suggest a diagnosis. The integration of AI in stethoscopes could revolutionize healthcare, making diagnosis quicker, more accurate, and even predictive in some cases. It could enable early detection of diseases, thereby improving treatment outcomes and saving lives. It could also democratize healthcare by making expert diagnostic capability accessible to healthcare workers in remote areas. So the stethoscope, a tool that started as a simple wooden tube, is all set to leap into the future. A future where medicine and technology intertwine to create a world of improved healthcare and enhanced patient outcomes. The stethoscope as we know it is set for a digital makeover. The stethoscope, a simple yet significant tool, has shaped the course of healthcare. Indeed, as we have journeyed together through the annals of medical history, we've seen how a simple concept revolutionized the practice of medicine. Born from the need for a more dignified and effective method of listening to the human body, the stethoscope emerged. From there, the stethoscope evolved, adapting to the needs and technological advancements of the time. It transformed from a single-sided device to a binaural one, offering a more precise and intimate connection to the body's secrets. Its design was refined, and the materials used were enhanced, making it the versatile tool we know today. In modern healthcare, the stethoscope remains a symbol of the profession and a critical instrument in a physician's arsenal. It's used in various medical fields, from cardiology to pulmonology, and even in veterinary medicine. It is often the first line of diagnostic tools, providing immediate insights into the patient's condition. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, the stethoscope continues to hold promise. With the integration of artificial intelligence and digital technology, its potential is boundless. Imagine a stethoscope that not only allows us to hear but also interprets and predicts, making diagnosis more accurate and treatment more effective. So when we reflect on the humble stethoscope, we're not just looking at a tool, we're looking at a symbol of our journey towards better health. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of continuous learning and improvement, and a constant reminder of our dedication to understanding and improving the human condition. From a wooden tube to a potential AI-integrated device, the stethoscope continues to be a testament to the evolving landscape of healthcare.